Hello, David Bradley here. Welcome to the Box Room, which is a branch office of the Pet Room, which all dwells in, yes, the World of Commodore. And, as it happens, the World of Commodore, presented by the Toronto Pet Users Group, is happening again this year in 2023. It will be December 2nd and December 3rd at the Admiral Inn, which is in Mississauga, Ontario, very close, just a stone's throw from the QEW. There will be demonstrations. There will be things for sale. There will be people displaying the cool things that they've done. I will be there, and I'm going to bring my power supply tester. So if you have, for the 64 and the Big 20, if you have a power supply and you're like, well, I don't know, and this is like the one with the round DIN plug, not the two-prong, that's easier to test. But if you have a power supply for 64 and you're just not sure and you don't trust it, and I know it's very hard to get those probes in there to see what's really going on, bring it to the World of Commodore, and we will test it. And if it is deadly, perhaps under your direction, we will snip the cords and it will never hurt any 64 again, or Vic 20. The other day I had one that almost tricked me. It was so bad, I thought that the reading, I thought I was holding it upside down. It said 12.5 volts on the 5 volt side. I thought, wait a second, if I turn this over, it's got to be 5.21. But you know what? It was 12.5. In other words, that plugged into a 64 would have caused instant catastrophic death. So I know people hate the old power supplies, and sometimes with good reason. But I have lots of them, and most of them are fine, and those that aren't, they get snipped. So come to the World of Commodore, bring your old power supplies. This tester tests the 5 volt side. Doesn't do anything for the 9 volt side, but the 5 volt side is the killer side. And I suppose if it works fine on the 5 volt side, maybe I'll have a machine there that we can plug it into and see if it works. There are still, actually very recently, I also got a power supply. It looked beautiful. It was magical. Clean, mean, white. No, off-white. And everything, dandy. And the 5 volt side read fine. The 9 volt side, I don't know what it was, but it was bad. And it got snipped. So, bring your wayward power supplies that you are fearful of, and we can check them out. I'll be there. Rudy of Rudy's Retro Info will be there. There will be many people there. It is a great celebration of what we all enjoy while we dwell, yes, in the World of Commodore, at the World of Commodore, presented by the Toronto Pet Users Group. Now in its, I think, 46th year of existence, I think, if that's possible, I think. Closing in on 50, imagine. So, December 2nd, December 3rd, 2023, the Admiral Inn. If you go online, there's more and more information coming up on the TPUG website and the TPUG Facebook page and other things about specifics. And if you want to speak, write to somebody. And if you want to have a table to show off the cool things you're doing, write to somebody. And if you want to get a table to sell some of your old stuff, send a message, talk to somebody, and we'll see you there at the World of Commodore, December 2nd, December 3rd of 2023. Bye for now.